Hello. Hi, Kenneth. We're going to do a couple of problems. I'm going to do one with you or to show you first, and then I'm going to be sending you some problems so that you can do on your own, okay? So we're going to be working with the different numbers and how to represent different numbers, okay? How to represent different numbers. So we're going to go ahead and start with the smaller number, 3-digit number, and we're going to start with the number, let's say 121. Okay, so we have a 100, that's the flat, 2 10 bars, that's 1, that's 2, because 10 plus 10 is 20, and then the 1 unit. Okay, this is one way to represent the number 121. Okay, one way to represent the number. Very good. All right, now, here's the thing. Here I used 100, right? And I used 2 10 bars. So I put 2 10s. And then I put 1 unit, or 1 1. I can put 1 1. That's fine. 1 1 or 1 unit, however you want to call it. Okay? All right, now, a different way to represent this number. Well, let's see. Can I break up the 1? No, I cannot, because that's the smallest unit, okay? So I just kind of have to bring that 1 down. I can't break that any more than that. That stays, okay? And now, can I break up a 10 bar? I can. So let's just say I'm going to choose to break up one of these 10 bars. Make sure that if you're writing this with me, that you are spacing it out. If it's too close together, you're not going to be able to tell what you're doing. Okay, so I have this 10 bar. I'm going to break it. And if I break the 10 bar, what happens to it? A 10 bar. What happens to it? Okay, yes, it becomes units, doesn't it? How many? 5, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, that's 4. And 5. And I'm going to go ahead and just do 2 rows of 5 because I know that 5 plus 5 equals 10. It just makes it nicely organized. So I'm going to keep that there. I broke that 10 bar into 10 units. Why do I have this one still here? Because that one was already there. I still had to bring it down. Now, this 10 bar, I'm going to leave it alone. Okay, so I'm just going to bring her on down and keep her. Keep that little 10 bar. Made her kind of small. Keep that 10 bar. And I also have to keep what? My 100. Okay, so now I showed you in a different way how I could represent this number. It's still the same number, 121, but it's in a different way. Okay, I represent it in a different way. Which way did I represent it? Well, let's see. I used 100. I used how many 10 bars this time? Did I use 2 10 bars like last time? No, because I broke one. So how many did I still use? You see this one? I didn't do anything to it. I brought her down. So how many 10s do I have there? It's 1, 10. Okay? Now the next thing I have to look at is my ones. So let's see. Oh, it's different this time. Last time we only had 1 unit. This time we have more. Why? Because we broke up that 10 bar into 10 units. So you can go ahead and count these, that's fine, but you should already know that this is 10. So you don't have to waste your time counting. But let's go ahead and count them anyways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So how many ones did I use? Or how many units? 11. So I put 11 ones. Okay? That's another way to represent the number 121. Okay, I'm going to show you one more way to do it, and then I'm going to ask you to do a few of them for me, okay? All right, so I'm going to erase this. Let's see, I don't want to mess it all up. Okay, so 100 again, 2 10 bars, and the 1 unit. This is the last thing that I'm going to do, and then I'm going to have you do a couple of them for me. So, again, I'm going to keep this 100. Now, you know, I can break up both of these 10 bars instead of just one like we did last time. So I'm going to go ahead and break up both of these 10 bars. One 10 bar breaks up. Let's start with this first one. One 10 bar breaks up into 10, doesn't it? 10 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Right? That was one of them. Next one. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Right? Why do I have these many units? Because I broke up these two 10 bars into units. What about this one? Does it just stay there? Do I leave it alone? Do I forget about it? No. I have to keep it. It's still there. So now I represented the number in a completely different way. It looks kind of cute to me. I like all these little units. They look cute. So this time, did I use any 10 bars whatsoever? No, because I broke them. So let's see. This time I'm going to write. I used 100. And I used, no. If I know that this is 10, plus 10 is 20, plus the 1 is what? 21. So I used 0 tens, but I used 20 units. And we can go ahead and count them even that you don't feel comfortable. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 10. 10 plus 10 equals 20 plus 1, 21. So 21 ones. Okay? All right. So I'm going to go ahead and stop here. All right? And then you let me know if this helped at all, or I'm going to give you a couple of ones for you to do, okay? Let me erase. Of course, you can rewind the video. I'm going to erase it, and then I'm going to tell you to do a couple of them on your own, okay? All right. So, I'll email it in there, but I'm going to go ahead and tell you which ones to do. So, do number 1. Let's do one that's kind of simple. Same thing, okay? I want you to try to represent the number 134, okay? So go ahead and draw the picture and then tell me, at least give me 2 different ways. 2 ways to represent this number. Okay? Then for number 2, let's do 113. Okay? We want to do easy so we can kind of start getting a groove. Okay? Start getting your groove, Kenneth. Alright? Here's number 3. Last one for right now. Okay? Let's do 122. Okay, not to make it too hard. All right. You need to have what? Tell me you can read this, Kenneth. Okay. All right. Let's get these done. I'm going to ask your mother to see if you can send them to me. All right. Or something like that. Or take a picture. I don't know what you can do. All right. All right, baby. Talk to you in a little bit. Bye-bye.